This is a packet of match attacks, but not just any packet of match attacks, because this pack is stacked. Oh yes, this bad boy is the Holy Grail. Everyone wants it, even pandas. So, join me as we open the Holy Grail of match attacks. Ooh. You can see how much my hands are shaking. This pack is guaranteed to have over £1,000 in value. I know, it's kind of crazy. You see these odds? You see them? Well, the odds for this pack are completely different. You see there it says genuine autographs, 1 in 1,900. Or for this bad boy, it's probably about 1 in 2. What will we get? This Holy Grail of match attacks packs. We've got the code card. This is probably going to be a crazy code card too. Danny Olmo. Danny Olmo. Alex Grimaldo. Ooh, that's a good one. Rudy Rodriguez. Whew. Ollie Watkins. Oh, it's getting good already. Nuno Mendes. Conrad Lema. Ooh, Jacob Murphy. Lovely stuff. Ooh, Rafael Varane. Oh, 100 Club. 100 Club Edison. That's crazy. This video was just supposed to be a joke and we got 100 Club. 100 Club Edison of the new collection. It's the Holy Grail of a pack. Man of the match, signature style, Kevin De Bruyne. Ooh, that's a banger. Alexander Isaac, finisher. And Lucas Hidreki, captain. That's actually crazy that we actually got 100 Club in that pack. That's actually kind of wild. I wonder what we can get with the second Holy Grail. Yep, this is also a Holy Grail pack. So yes, we must believe in the Holy Grail. Believe in the Holy Grail. Because if you believe in the Holy Grail, you will be grailed and you will be holy. Nabil Fekir. Nicholas Savold. Luis Felipe. Alex Moreno. Ooh. Eder Militao. Angel Correa. Gianluca Scamacca. Alejandro Garnacho. Man of the match, Baldo Dybala. Playmaker Bukayo Saka. Marcus Edwards. And Koke. Maybe that pack wasn't so holy graily. Subscribe.